Welcome to the exciting world of artificial intelligence, AI. If you've been wondering how this cutting-edge technology can help you make a fortune, then you're in for a treat. AI has revolutionized numerous industries and is now paving the way for individuals like yourself to capitalize on its incredible potential. In this video, we'll delve into the 7 best AI tools that have the power to turn your dreams of financial success into reality. Whether you're an aspiring entrepreneur, a savvy investor, or simply someone looking to boost your income, these game-changing tools will provide you with the edge needed to thrive in today's digital landscape. So sit back and prepare to discover how harnessing the power of AI can potentially pave your path towards wealth and prosperity. Let's dive right in. What is AI and why you should care? Artificial intelligence, or AI for short, is the science and engineering behind creating intelligent machines that can perform tasks typically requiring human intelligence. It encompasses a wide range of technologies such as machine learning, natural language processing, computer vision, and robotics. But why should you care about AI? Well, simply put, it has the potential to completely transform the way we live and work. From self-driving cars to personalized recommendations on streaming platforms, AI is already making our lives more convenient and efficient. In terms of financial opportunities, AI opens up a whole new world of possibilities. With its ability to analyze massive amounts of data quickly and accurately, businesses can gain valuable insights into consumer behavior patterns or market trends. This allows them to make data-driven decisions that can drive revenue growth or identify untapped markets ripe for exploration. Furthermore, individuals who embrace AI have the chance to leverage automation tools that streamline mundane tasks while maximizing productivity. By incorporating AI into your workflow or business strategy, you can free up time to focus on high-value activities that directly contribute to your bottom line. In essence, understanding and harnessing the power of AI gives you an edge in today's highly competitive landscape. Whether you're an entrepreneur looking for innovative solutions or an investor seeking promising opportunities in emerging industries like healthcare or finance, embracing AI puts you at the forefront of technological advancement. So don't miss out on this exciting wave. Start exploring these 7 remarkable AI tools that have the potential to make you rich. The 7 best AI tools for making money. Artificial intelligence, AI, has taken the world by storm and is revolutionizing various industries. One area where AI is making a significant impact is in helping individuals make money. If you're looking to boost your income, here are 7 of the best AI tools that can help you achieve financial success. 1. Chatbot platforms. Utilize chatbots to automate customer service and sales interactions on your website or social media platforms. With AI-powered chatbots, you can provide instant support and generate leads even when they're not available. 2. Predictive analytics. Use predictive analytics tools to analyze big data sets and forecast trends, enabling you to make informed investment decisions or identify lucrative business opportunities ahead of time. 3. Personal finance apps. Take advantage of personal finance apps powered by AI algorithms that track your spending habits, offer budgeting tips, and suggest investments tailored to your financial goals. 4. Robo-advisors. Let robo-advisors manage your investment portfolio based on sophisticated algorithms that consider market trends, risk tolerance levels, and long-term objectives. 5. Virtual assistants. Employ virtual assistants like Siri or Alexa for tasks such as scheduling appointments, managing emails, or conducting research quickly and efficiently. 6. Content creation tools. Save time by using content creation tools driven by machine learning algorithms which can generate high-quality articles or product descriptions automatically. 7. Market research tools. Access powerful market research platforms powered by AI capabilities that provide valuable insights into consumer behavior patterns, competitor analysis, and industry trends essential for making strategic business decisions. By leveraging these 7 remarkable AI tools effectively in line with your expertise or interests, it's possible to enhance revenue streams significantly. Don't miss out on the opportunity to tap into this innovative technology. Start exploring these tools today. Remember, wealth doesn't come overnight, but harnessing the power of AI will undoubtedly give you an edge in achieving financial success. How to get started with AI. Getting started with AI may seem daunting at first, but with the right tools and mindset, anyone can dive into this exciting field. Here are a few steps to help you get started on your AI journey. Familiarize yourself with the basics of AI. Understand what it is and how it works. This will lay the foundation for your learning process. Next, choose an area of interest or problem that you want to solve using AI. It could be anything from analyzing customer data to predicting market trends. By having a specific goal in mind, you can focus your efforts and make progress more effectively. Once you have identified your area of interest, start exploring different AI tools available to you. There are numerous platforms and software options out there that cater to different needs and skill levels. Research and experiment with these tools to find ones that suit your requirements. Join online communities or forums dedicated to AI enthusiasts. Engaging with like-minded individuals can provide valuable insights, tips, and support as you navigate through the world of AI. Consider taking online courses or tutorials on AI programming languages such as Python or R. These languages are widely used in the field of AI, and understanding them will give you an advantage in implementing various algorithms and models. Practice. The more hands-on experience you gain by working on real-life projects or participating in competitions, the better equipped you'll become in harnessing the power of AI. Remember that learning about artificial intelligence is an ongoing process. Technology evolves rapidly, so staying updated is crucial. Embrace this dynamic environment with curiosity and enthusiasm. Who knows where this exciting journey might take you? Conclusion. In today's fast-paced digital world, artificial intelligence has become a game-changer for businesses and individuals alike. With its ability to analyze vast amounts of data, predict outcomes, and automate tasks, AI has the potential to revolutionize how we make money. By harnessing the power of AI tools, you can not only increase your productivity but also unlock new opportunities for financial success. Whether you're an entrepreneur looking to streamline your operations or an investor seeking valuable insights, these 7 AI tools are here to make you rich. 1. Chatbots. Enhance customer service and generate leads with intelligent chatbots that engage customers 24/7. 2. Personalized recommendations. Boost sales by offering tailored product suggestions based on each individual's preferences and browsing history. 3. Predictive analytics. Make smarter investment decisions by leveraging predictive models that analyze market trends and identify profitable opportunities. 4. Automated trading systems. Take advantage of algorithmic trading platforms that execute trades at lightning speed for maximum profitability. 5. Natural language processing, NLP, improves search engine rankings by optimizing website content using NLP techniques for better visibility online. 6. Virtual assistants. Delegate mundane tasks like scheduling meetings or managing emails to virtual assistants powered by AI algorithms. 7. Image recognition software. Tap into the growing e-commerce market by integrating image recognition technology that enables visual search capabilities in your online store. To get started with AI, it's important to first identify your specific goals and needs. Research various AI tools available in the market and choose those that align with your objectives. Consider factors such as ease of use, pricing plans, integration options, and customer support when selecting the right tool for your business or personal use. Once you've chosen an AI tool, take the time to familiarize yourself with its features through tutorials or training resources provided by the vendor. Experiment with different settings and configurations until you find what works best for you. Remember, AI is constantly evolving, so staying up to date with the latest advancements and